Hi, my name is Kevin Mandia and I'm the CEO of FireEye. I'd like to take a moment to share with you what the Cyber Defense Summit is all about. Every year we do hundreds of investigations on the front line, seeing what attackers are doing, how they're breaking in, what they're stealing, what techniques they use to be surreptitious. We have threat analysts that speak 32 languages in 19 countries. We know thousands of practitioners that are using many technologies to figure out how do we protect ourselves from all the security threats that are out there, what technologies are working best, how can we bring it all together to best protect our organizations. The Cyber Defense Summit is a way for all the folks in the security community, from the managers down to the technicians, to get together and just share what works. How are we combating the cyber threats? What works? What doesn't? What are we learning? We'll have our experts there to share with you the latest things from around the globe. We're going to invite people from many different organizations to share their experiences, and this is an open forum where everybody learns how to do their jobs better. So I'd like to see you there. It'll be worth it from manager down to technician. We will all take a step forward in getting better at protecting our enterprises. Thank you very much.